Lost without a trace. On December 5th, 1945, 5 military airplanes departed from Florida in the USA, known as Flight 19. The planes were heading east over the Atlantic Ocean for training. Unfortunately, they never returned. Charles Taylor, an experienced pilot who had fought in the World War II, was the leader of the flight, and the other 13 crew members were students. At first, everything went according to plan. The planes reached a remote destination over the ocean and were ready to return home. But then the pilots noticed that their compasses weren't working. By that time, dark clouds had formed in the sky, so they couldn't direct themselves using the sun. Then the Army airport lost radio contact with the planes. Soon after they departed, one plane lost contact with the airport and they never heard from it again. Even today, the Army has never found any of the 6 planes. The story of Flight 19 is one of the many mysterious events that occurred in Bermuda Triangle, an area in the Atlantic Ocean near Florida. In 1918, a ship, the USS Cyclops, went missing there. In 1937, Amelia Earhart, the famous pilot, disappeared while flying over the area. Many people have tried to explain these events. Some think that the area is around Atlantis, the mythical underwater city. They say that somehow Atlantis emits energy beams that affect compasses. Others say that aliens are responsible for the missing ships and planes. Whatever the truth, the Bermuda Triangle continues to fascinate us. It might be one mystery that we will never solve.